So welcome back everybody to Code with Tanesh. And I was not uploading videos because I was facing some problem with my video recording software, and I was doing something else also. So yeah, let's start with the video. So most of the people are slow in some people are slow in maths and are mainly slow in tables. So for them, we can create a table generator which will generate table for any number you write in the text input. And then click the button generate table. So for that we have to take this on. Always take the on event for any two on events, one on event, and then you have to go to controls and take this first one for, and then over you have to just change this thing, the value to 1 and this to 11, and then we have to go to UI controls. So first we will insert all the UIs, and then we will write something in them. So first we have to take the label, text label, and then now we have to take the addition inside this, and then one more addition in the first slot of the first addition, and then one more addition and one more addition, and now we can start doing the main thing. So now we have to take get number from here and put it in the first slot, and then we have to enter the name of the text input. And for me the name is table. Why it is not opening? Yes, so table number, and over here now we have to enter shift, we have to enter X, X, and then one more in this 66 means then colons, then plus we have to do I, then plus colons, put the both the colons, and over here is equal to, and then I have to shift over here, and in the last slot we have to put this thing, the multiplication, from here, and over here we have to put not over here, the equal to vent. So yes, now over here we have to put I, and then get number, one more get number over here, and then the same, the input, the table input. And now we have to set the properties. And now if we check our app, so first we have to enter a number and click on generate table. So nothing is happening. And so we will click on, because nothing is happening because we didn't set any properties for that. So You have to first go to set property. We will take for this 2 set properties and 1 set position. And now for the first set property, we will take here I. The value will be I, and over here, because everything is stored in this is in I, the variable I. Yes, and then we have to go to the second, where you have to select the, what is that? Yes, fonts size, and then you have to select the font size whichever you want. I will for this 24, and then in the second slot also we have to put I, and in the third slot also for now only put I. And then over here we have to go in the second one, and then color, text color, and now you have to go to math, random number, first we have to go to UI and take RGB. If you want different colors, or you can do same colors only. For this, let's keep it same colors. For this, let's keep the color as blue. RGB needed for now. And then for the set position, over here in the first slot of this number, entering the number, put 100 and not 1000. And in the second slot you have to take math. From math, a multiplication thing, and then enter your 40 and 1. Not over here. 40 and over in this one we have to put 1. And for this, yeah, we are done. So let's run and check if it is working or not. Put a number. You can generate table. It will take some time, but it will generate. It is not generating because I didn't put over here the button. Okay, for that it is not generating. Okay, now if we run and put a number and generate table, might generate the table. Why it is not working, I don't know. Yeah, it is not generating, but it will generate for you. Because of some problem it is not generating. If it does not generate for you, tell me in the comments and I will do something and solve a problem. And let me check any problem that I according to me I did not get any problem. Everything is fine. But yeah, oh, I got the problem. I think I got the problem. The problem is this. What? think so. This may be the problem. Or what is the problem? I don't know. I mean, this is hanging a lot. No. Okay, I got the problem. What is the problem? I got it. So you have to put everything in the second slot where the text was given. To refresh this. Yes, you have to put everything in the second slot. I put this in the first slot, but you will put that in the second slot because in the text one, and in the first one you have to put one over there, so